this thing on. So I'm gonna start this. All right, sup, y'alls. All right, let's give y'all a quick little view of what I'm trying to do right quick. I don't really have to, but right now I'm swapping out the the tail lights on this thing. Already got those out already. This is my old car. It pretty much, it still runs, but it's just time, man. It's time to make some different moves with this thing. So I'm just swapping the tail lights out onto the new car over there. You can't really see it, but so I'm gonna get these out real quick, and then I'm gonna put it in the other. Well, I have to take the other ones out too, so I'm gonna show a video of me taking the other ones out and then installing these. All right, so I wanted to make sure everything fit. I know a friend of mine had an issue where he had to get some, like a harness for me because the tail lights didn't fit properly. So just check real quick, it does fit. So now I'm going to take the old ones out. Here, actually, let me grab this tool real quick while I'm over here. So I do this one time. Take the old ones out and then put the new ones in. So you have these little tabs here, so kind of like pop out in order to get the old tail lights out. And then you have some tabs right here too. Normally I just leave these out once I pull them out, but I might actually put them back in just because it gives it a cleaner look. I'm actually gonna put them back this time. I'm knowing that when I took them out, and then that was it. I never put them back in. But these are the old tail lights, you know, just the old style. And then also, these are trash. They are clear now, so it's time to swap these things out. Now with these tail lights, once again, you have to pop this tab out, and then if you look over here, you got these nuts over here. You have one right here, and then you have one down here as well. Somewhere down here, it's like dark. I think it's right here. You can kind of see it. Right there. And then you just unplug it from right here, the harness, and then swap it out. That's pretty much it. It's really easy. So let me go ahead and just knock this out real quick. And let me get started. Let's go set you guys down right here while I do this. Take this flathead, pop these tabs out real quick. Right there. Take my trusty drill. Take that out right fast. Do the same thing with the ones on the inside. Old one. Then crap. I have to look at the other one. Left it over here. So this comes with like a resistor, I believe it is. That it's like a box. This box right here that helps with the LEDs. Now, if anyone's wondering where I got these taillights from. I bought them years ago. A buddy of mine was in Japan and he was able to get them imported for me. Stuff this right inside here. Line it up. And then the two screws, two nuts on the inside ones. This one out real quick too. So that, once again, you have these tabs up here. Let me actually aim this up a little bit. You have these tabs up here. You gotta kind of like pop off to get to it. My last car, I ended up losing majority of them, so I'm actually going to try it. Actually going to try and keep them this time. It's starting to get a little dark, so please bear with me. That one goes right there. Got it. Push it out. It's sealed really tight. It's from factory, so I gotta like mess with it a little bit. Bitch! Lost another one. Motherfucker! I actually lost that one. That's the old one, and then the new one is inside here. The cool thing about like a lot of these GS's is that from like 90, I think it's 98, all the way up until 2005, majority of the stuff is still the same, so it kind of swaps over. plug. It's always a freaking hassle to get out. So it got dark really freaking quick. But I went and got both sides in, kind of show you how to remove the tail light and put it in. So now that it's dark, I can actually show you guys what it looks like when it lights up at night. So got both lights in and the inners and wired everything up. Now I just have to put little tabs back in, but wanted to show you guys what it looks like at night when it lights up. And it makes the back look really different compared to before. So just gonna turn the headlight on real quick. Oh, I need a key. There you go. And definitely a big difference compared to before. A little dirty. But noticeable difference. The old taillights was just trash. And now I just gotta finish putting little tabs and stuff back. These tabs right here. I already kind of like put the rest of the stuff back already too, but I think that's gonna do it for this video. Freaking Facebook is going crazy right now. So overall, definitely stoked about getting these on. Been wanting to do it for a little while now on this car. Now that the main maintenance was done with the motor, I can start doing some other things. Next thing's gonna be the ball joints. I'm probably gonna do that this weekend. I'm not sure yet. But once all that's said and done, I'll start doing some other stuff like the coilovers and all of that. Probably gonna take that stupid light out right there because I hate it. Probably just take the bulb out. But I'm gonna end the video here. Please, of course, like, subscribe, and share this video.